Thanks for your interest in Take Flight tactical pens. Now, whether you're buying a gift for yourself or for a loved one, we love to make a great first impression with our products, and that's why every pen comes in one of these beautiful Take Flight gift boxes. Now, what you're looking at here is the Take Flight model TF02 pen, available in a multitude of colors to include silver, black, red, and one of our personal favorites, the stainless steel model. Now, let's take a look at what's actually in the box. Each pen comes with the pen itself, a spare set of batteries for the built-in flashlight, as well as 2 spare ink cartridges. Now let's take a look at the pen itself. Starting at the end here, we've got a heavy-duty hardened tip that can be used for self-defense or for breaking glass in an emergency. The actual body of the pen itself is made out of high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pen comes with a steel clasp for clipping to your gear or your shirt, and each pen has a built-in flashlight. Now, to use the flashlight, simply find the gold button here and push to turn the light on and off. To use the pen itself, there is a seam right here under the clip. Simply unscrew that and the pen tip comes right out. Now, when you do run out of ink and it's time to change cartridges, simply unscrew the body of the pen itself and the cartridge will come right out. Take the spring off, insert the new cartridge, and reverse the procedures for reassembling the pen. Now, moving down the body of the pen, there's another seam here. When you unscrew there, that will reveal the built-in multi-tool. Now, this tool has a bottle opener, hex wrench, flathead screwdriver. It also has a serrated edge and a sharpened edge that's sharp enough to open packages but safe to the touch. Now, when it's time to change the flashlight batteries, simply locate the seam just under the button of the flashlight head and unscrew counterclockwise, and that will reveal the battery compartment. They should come right out. However, if they don't, just turn it upside down, give it a couple taps on a hard surface, and the 3-pack of batteries should come right out. Now, make sure that when you reassemble the pen, the positive end of the battery goes towards the tip of the pen, and reassemble the flashlight mechanism. Now, if you haven't already checked them out, please take a look at some of the other products in our line. These are some of our other tactical pens. The model TF03. Now, this is a twist pen with a serrated edge that's sharpened for self-defense and also a built-in flashlight. This particular model is very popular with medical personnel, doctors, nurses, EMTs as a replacement for their in-coat pen light. We've also got the TF01 model with cap. This has a hardened built-in glass breaker tip, a cap that doubles as an end piece when you put the pen back together, and also a sharpened tip here at the end, as well as a heavy-duty clasp. We also have the TF01 original model. This comes in both black and red. This is another twist pen with a knurled grip, heavy-duty clasp, and built-in glass breaker. Now, whichever model of pen you decide best fits your need, we're confident that you're going to be 100% satisfied with your transaction with Take Flight. Take Flight is a veteran-owned company that takes pride in offering the best quality products available. That's what makes our pens the choice of so many professionals, to include military personnel, first responders, and so many other challenging professions. Our pens are also some of the most sought-out gifts on Amazon for occasions like Father's Day, birthdays, and graduations. So we hope you find the perfect product for yourself or a loved one. Thanks for shopping with Take Flight.